So just to go back to the Supreme Court, for those of us that have not been following this, day in and day out, can you just remind us like a very basic level of what's been happening? I think it would just be helpful for folks to understand, just the basic mechanics of it. When did this become an issue? Like who brought it forward? What does this specifically mean? And then, especially as we look at the midterms, I don't know if there's any implications there, but can you just take us back to that a little bit and help us walk through that a little bit more?
I think the important thing to remember is this Supreme Court, led by John Roberts, has done almost every single thing Donald Trump has asked of them, including granting him unbelievable immunity in a shocking decision in the summer of 2024. Over the past year or so, the administration has gone to the court, repeatedly jumped over lower courts to get rulings in the shadow docket. That's, for example, where we've come up with the Kavanaugh stop, where Brett Kavanaugh basically said, well, yeah, it's okay if the ICE stops citizens because it's just for a short amount of time. So they've been very acquiescent to the president. Now, this decision was brought, there's some local businesses, a business in Chicago and others brought this Supreme Court case because the president doesn't have the authority without Congress to issue tariffs, and he's been doing it unilaterally without congressional involvement. So that's what the case was about, and the Supreme Court said, yeah, you have to go to Congress. Congress has the authority to do tariffs. So it was a rebuke of Trump by three of the Republican justices